Good afternoon, my all genius grade 1 students. Welcome back to our health education online class. Today we are going to study lesson 10, which is about caring for our ears. In the previous lesson, we learned about caring for our nose, right? You have already learned about that. So now we are moving on to our lesson today. So we are talking about ears. How many ears do you have? Do you have one ear or two ears? Well, we have two ears. This is ears, right? Ears. We have left ear and right ear. And we have two ears, okay? We have two ears, left and right. This is right ear and this is left ear. Can you point to your ears right now? Can you point to the right ear and the left ear? Okay, so again, how many ears do you have? When you answer, I have two ears. I have my right ear and my left ear. Okay, right? And we use our ears to hear, right? We use our ear to hear something. We hear the sounds of our classmates talking. We can hear something around us, right? If we don't have our ears, we cannot listen or we cannot hear any voice or any sound. Okay? So you need to take care of your ears. If your ears have problems, you cannot hear anything at all. So try to take care of your ears. How do we take care of our ears? Class, take a look at this. This is the question. How do we take care of our ears? As we know, our ears are very important. They play an important role in helping us to hear the sounds around us. If our ears had problem, we would not be able to hear anything or the sound around us. So how do we take care of all of them? Well, I have some tips for you. In this video, we'll tell you more about the tips. How do we take care of our ears? To take care of our ears, we need to wipe and keep our ears dry after a bath or swim. After taking a bath or a shower or swimming, you have to wipe your ears, okay? Use a very soft towel or use the tissue that they are soft to wipe our ears, keep them dry and clean so that the water will not get inside of our ears, okay? So after taking a bath or a shower or after swimming, remember to clean your ears. Wipe your ear gently, this side and this side, with a very soft towel so that they can absorb the water from our ears. Then the water cannot go inside to our ears, so our ears will not have any problems. So remember the tip number 1, okay? Wipe and keep our ears dry after a bath or a swim, okay? The second tip, we should use earplugs around loud noises. When we are in a very loud noise place, so a place where has a very loud noise, we have to put the earplug. Earplug is a small stuff that we use, this one, yeah, to put in our ears. Like we are in a place where has a very loud noise, put inside here, cover our ears so that the loud noise will not go to disturb us, to make our ears have problems. So remember to use the earplugs. The earplugs here. The earplugs, yeah, okay. This is not a headset, it's an earplug that we can use it to cover our ears hole, so that they will not allow the sounds or the loud noise get inside of our ears. So our ear will not have any problems. The third one, do not use earphones too often. I know some of you like to use the earphone when you are listening to music. So when you listen to music, do not use the earphones, you know, earphone. So this is your earphone, okay? Right. I think you may have this one at home, right? Okay. Right. Okay. So this is your earphone. Okay? Do not use the earphone too often when you are listening to music. Okay? Because when you use it every single day or every time, your ears will have problem. Okay? But if you use your earphones, be cautious. You have to turn down or turn the volume down when you're using the earphone or headphones. Okay? So we can say headphones or earphones the same. So do not turn the volume too loud. Try to use the headphones not too often, but you have to turn the volume down when using these headphones. Okay? Because when you turn it too loud, you will have problem with the ears. So be cautious. Okay? One more, do not put the sharp objects into the ears, like a toothpick or the cotton buds that you like to, you know, squeeze or you swap a lot. So try not to use that one, okay? Just use only the soft thing that you can roll it and then you can just clean your ears. But do not use the sharp objects like toothpick or we could say, you know, the cotton bud, yeah, the small round thing that we can use to clean our ears. Do not use the sharp objects to put into our ears, okay? One more, go to the audiologist when our ears have problems. Audiologist is a person who is responsible for taking care of the ears of the people. So he will take care, or he will check, or he will see what the problems that we have in our ears. So when someone get a problem with the hearing or hearing loss, they go to see the audiologist. He or she will take care or will check the ears, and then he or she will prescribe or will tell you what to do. Okay? So these are the tips for everyone to take care of the ears. Okay? Right? So try to read this one more time and then try to remember these tips. Implement them so that you will know the tips to take care of your ears. Okay? So I'll read for everyone one more time. Wipe and keep our ears dry after a bath or swim. Use ear plugs around loud noises. Okay, do not use earphones too often. One more, turn the volume down when using the headphones. Do not put the sharp objects into the ears. Go to the audiologist when our ears have problems. Okay. Now coming on to our task 1. So task 1. Task 1 will be uploaded in the group. After watching this video, you will see the task 1. So I'll upload the task 1 right there, okay? Well, that's all for our first video clip. See you in the second video clip. Enjoy your task 1. Hello again, grade 1 students. Welcome to our second episode of our lesson. How was your task 1? Have you already completed pretty well? Yes, you have done an amazing work. Well, now we are going to go to our task 2. Can you please open your workbook? Go to your workbook on page 8. Okay, task 2, workbook, page 8. Can you please open it there? So there are the pictures right there, and just read the instruction right there, okay? So how do you take care of their ears? So you will see the activity right there. Okay, on page 8. You see it, right? Okay, after finishing your task 2, please submit it to my personal telegram. Take a picture, okay? Take a picture of your answer, then send it to my personal telegram. And I'll check and I'll mark on it, okay? Right, so I'll give you around 10 minutes to complete your task 2. Okay, 10 minutes only. If you submit this one in the group, you will be deducted. Your points will be deducted. So do not send it to the group. Send it to my personal Telegram account so that I'll check it. Nobody can see your answer, okay? Well, so see you in the last video clip. Dear students, welcome to our last episode of our lesson. Well, in this video clip, I'll give you the homework. But I'm gonna do a quick recap first. So guys, what have you learned today? What was your lesson? So our lesson today was about caring for our ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. We have the left ear and the right ear. Okay, again, can you answer these questions? How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears, left and right ear. Alright, so we have 2 ears. And what do we use our ears for? What do we use our ears for? Okay, we use our ears for hearing, or we use our ears to hear something, to hear the sounds. Okay, we can hear the sounds of anything around us. When your friends are talking to you, you can hear because you have ears. If you didn't have ears, you would not be able to hear anybody's sounds. You cannot hear the music, you cannot hear the sounds of the animals or the sounds of the trains, the bus, or the car, because you are not able to listen. We have no ears, okay? And you guys also have learned about how do we take care of our ears, okay? So these are the tips that we have already learned. These are the tips that we need to take care of our ears. Well, there we go all together once again, okay? Make sure that you guys remember and implement this so that you know how to take care of your ears. Okay, the first tip, wipe and keep our ears dry after a bath or a swim. The second tip, use earplugs around loud noises. Do not use earphones too often. Turn the volume down when using the earphones. Do not put the sharp objects into the ears. The last one, go to the audiologist when our ears have problems, okay? So these are the tips that we need to take care of our ears, okay? Should know these tips. If you know this tip, you will be able to take care of your ears pretty well, okay? Now coming on to our homework. Your homework will be uploaded in the group, okay? So I'll upload their homework in the group. After watching this video, you will see it, okay? And don't forget to do your homework. If you forget to do your homework, your scores will be deducted, okay? So always remember, at the end of the lesson, you have to get your homework done and then send it to the personal telegram of the teacher, okay? So that the teacher will mark on it, give you the feedback, so that you will save more scores for your midterm exams, okay? So I hope you guys have enjoyed my lesson so far. So take care of yourself, be safe. See you in the next lesson. Have a good day.